variety. The outside is a little brown, more brownish colored. And then it peels down into the pink. As you say, this onion is still maybe 2 to 3 weeks away from being ready to harvest. And with most red onions, you have to wait for the red pink to go down into the interior of the onion until you allow it to fully mature. As you see, this, it's just starting a little bit on this outside ring, but eventually that color will be transported to the interior of all these interior rings. You see, if you see the water content in this onion's got some high content of sugars, but I wouldn't consider it a real sweet onion. It's a really good cooking onion, and it will store for 4 to 5 months. It's a long day variety. This particular variety is a long day. But to look at going back to some of the, maybe the pinkish, hot pink, purple coloring, we're considering this as one of our new varieties.